my question is about your thesis. What made it so impactful?
As an artist, you sort of have to face your fears. And that is the most fertile storytelling landscape.
I was wondering if you could speak about your process working as an episodic director.
Create work that you're passionate about and then get it anywhere and everywhere you can.
What are your top tips for creating quality content?
Don't be following trends just because, well, hey, everyone else is doing it. If you feel like it's part of your DNA, then it will grow.
When else in your life are you going to be surrounded by 10,000 plus creative, wacky art people in one place? Just having that SCAD name and degree on your resume really does carry a huge weight.
I refuse to let Corona hold me back. Once I get an idea, it's like, boom, I need to create this.
Zoom background, or is that your actual place?
This is my apartment.
It's very, as you can see, we've got the same kind of color scheme going on.
Well, I know a big topic today is working remotely.
We really can manage business and learn this way. I'm proof of that.
So my question was primarily about reimagining something that's already been created.
It's being able to identify what makes a story timeless.
The brilliant, remarkable CARRIE MAE WEEMS.
One of my favorite series of yours is Not Mayonnaise Type. And as an art history major, I get a real kick out of that.
The beginning and the middle and the end, and what happens along the way, that's our story. You know, so what will your story be?
I can't wait to find out.